Hi guys, I am Tanish and welcome to my channel Sangeeta Ani. And today I am going to make these boxes. You need a square sheet of paper, fold it into a half. Now fold it again in a half like this. Now open it. Flip the paper and join these two corners and you'll get a triangle. Open it and do it from this side also. Now flip it back and make it a triangle. It's an easier way, so like you see this line, join this like this and then fold this on above it and make it like this. Like fold this here and do it like that. Now fold this in a half. You'll get the center line of it, you can see over here. So now fold it to till the center line. These two corners. Now do it from the back side also. Now open one flap, open it like this, put your finger in it and press it down. You will get from the upwards you will get a heart shape, heart top shape. Do it from here, the other side, and also from this, from the back side also. Now open this part, fold it like this and then do it from this side also. Do it from this side also, like open it, then fold these two corners. You'll get an ice cream shape. Now take this and fold it how much you can, how much it goes, like this. Do it from the back side. And open this part and do it from here also. And do it from here also. Now it's the magic time. Now open it like this and then press it down from the corners. Like this, and your box is ready. So you can use this for serving your guests in the Diwali time. And now you can fill these with some dry fruits. First put foil inside so our dry fruits won't get dirty from the paper. Eat some yummy dry fruits. Please like and subscribe, and please get this video to 80,000 likes. Bye.